my life. Today's Saturday, guys, and I want to go get breakfast. That's just lovely. So today, I don't know, my hair is already looking too rough, and most possibly I'll be losing it today. That's if I find the strength I need eventually. Yeah. But if I don't, then you're smiling this video. This is how it should be. Horses of life. And they keep it here. This one is awesome. So we're heading to Foodco. That's where we want to have breakfast today. Foodco is in the same place with Mega One. Mega One is the mall. So here we are. These flowers are so nice. I had no. So this is the mall we're heading to. I think now we'll have to see the entrance. Okay, apparently it seems as though there's a fair going on here. I don't know. But you see they're setting up. So maybe we'll come back later on and check what's going on. I love this piece. We'll be back. So this is me heading into the mall directly to Foodco because I was super hungry. At this point, I didn't want any other thing but to eat. I wanted to use this other entrance, but it was closed, so I had to turn back and use the other entrance, which was just specifically for the restaurant. It's not ready, the sauce. Just because the food wasn't ready, the sauce wasn't ready, we had to come back here immediately, and then I had to go through this woman's store to check what she had. The pieces were nice, the designs were nice, but the fabric wasn't giving quality. I mean, no shade intended, but it wasn't giving me what I wanted, so I wasn't going to spend my money to buy something I wouldn't wear in the long run. She tried convincing me, but look at the prints. See, the prints are very lovely. I mean, very lovely, but the quality of the fabric seemed to appear inferior to me, so I wasn't going to get it, not at all. But this was a trade fair, a pop-up, some people call it, going on here, and it happened that this location is so strategic. And I still tried something else on, and this was one that I loved the print, but the fitting was not okay. So I think she had a thing with perfect, nice, super good designs and prints, but fabric quality is something she has to work on. But it's not in my position to give her that information, so I'm not even going to share her handle or anything. So no shades intended. If you find it, I mean, it's a matter of taste. There are some other persons that could like, hey, well, looking at this video now, I think I like what it looks like behind. I just like the prints, but and I didn't like what I was saying. After everything else said and done, she really wanted me to buy. But I already told you. So the second stand I went to had a very lovely, interesting piece which caught my attention. I just said, I'm going to put this on. I'll wear it. Look at this piece of gorgeousness. Everything in between. It was so fine that man, the big girl had to have it, and you can officially say that this is my first Adire print dress. I mean, look at how fine this dress is. And I still went back to take my breakfast because I can't forget it. Bye. After the morning hours came the midday, and it was a trip to Lufasi Nature Park. Yes, you heard that. So let's go.
Last, we've got our first goal in the Premier League this afternoon. Brentford are taking the lead away.
Rowan. Absolutely fantastic goal from Brentford on basically their first press of the game.
Today, on this trip to Lufasi, I personally is going to be our tour guide. Just know that I've been here before and this is my second time here. So it's going to be a detailed trip. We'll just stay tuned and enjoy every bit of it. First kick can exert up to 2,000 pounds of pressure. Wow. So from this, take home. Don't stand on top of a horse or a donkey. Bye. Welcoming. This is John Fossil Park this year, and there are numerous palm trees around. Like, oh, I remember he said the last time we were here, the first time I was here, and the last time before today, he said that these are called fern shrubs, fern trees. Oh, I'm not a good student. I'm not making my tour guide bad. So it's fence. They are fence. Let's go. We can actually see them. Okay. So the sweet thing, the interesting thing about nature is that it gives this calm feeling, this relief feeling. Yeah, you know, today those outer parts, there are lots of communities there. They have the church community, they have the single women communities, birthday party. There are a lot of people out there trying to absorb the environment with their celebration. So I think we should go in deep, dark, deep, where nature is. Yeah, we're going. Hey gorgeous, it's your baby girl Laika, and today, as any other day, I've decided to spend my day in Lufasi Nature Park. Yes, just as you can see, this is nature at its best. Nature at its best, uninterrupted, not artificial, but natural. Everything you see here. So I'll be taking us on a tour around this environment. And one thing you should already know is that it's dominated by tall trees. Tall trees I would call palm trees. Actually, they are palm trees, most of them, definitely. So let's just be moving. Well, I'll try to make it as calm as it could be. At the point you might not hear my voice again, because I try to absorb nature as well. So let's go. Again, this is another part. As you can see, most of the areas here are divided in sections. So I think now we're entering the fern farmland. So you can see these plants. The last time we were here, the tour guide said they are the ferns. So I don't know what it is. I can't remember probably. But so Lufasi is all about preserving nature. See. Oh my god! I wish you can relate to this place. It's calm. I feel like a noisemaker now. It's calm. One thing is that those of you that don't know, that don't have the ideas of rural areas, you need to be here. You need to be here because then you can relate. I mean, it makes you feel free on your best behavior, you know. Best behavior. You can relate. And we're going to cross out that partition. I think that's where that cat is. There are some animals we're going to see, so let's just try it on. If they throw it, it will roll.
I don't know.
In the land of the fast, in the town of grace, of the destiny of the wild animals, laid on the shoulders of the young girl. Worst case scenario, what if I enter here and the tree falls, boom, boom? It cannot fall off of my head. African water buffalo. Efon means buffalo. Efon, is it Yoruba? Accent in Igbo. Efon. Oh! Igbo efon. Does it ring a bell? Igbo efon. Does it ring a bell? Igbo efon as in Igbo efon junction. Okay, that means that junction is Water Buffalo's junction. Come on. It's like, look at an African water buffalo. This is supposed to be its habitat, but I think it has also died or gone on extinction. Whatever it is that happened to that cervid cat, I'm sure that is definitely what must have happened to it. I never saw this one with my eyes.